sensors confirm the material's internal crystalline integrity has been maintained, indicating the optimal purity required for efficient nano-grinding. Material analysis successful. We have 98% purity.
Confirmed. Initialize process B routing. After sterilization, the hot Yurlunggur calcium grit exits the kiln and immediately enters a cooling tower.
Name. Here in the pre-processing zone, we utilize high-pressure inert gas to protect the calcium grit.
Look here, the dampening system shows a slight fluctuation.
It's within tolerance, but monitor the particle output closely.
Inside the high-energy jet mill, the fine Yurlunggur calcium grit is propelled at supersonic speeds. The milling achieved a tight distribution, and these solubility results confirm the enhanced bioavailability critical for the ancient calcium supplement.
The homogenized, pure white ancient calcium supplement powder is released from the V-blender and smoothly conveyed.
The ancient calcium, fully tested and approved, flows smoothly into the high-speed encapsulation machine, ready for the pill-making phase.
A microscopic laser etches a unique batch code, ensuring full traceability. The vid system immediately The finalized ancient calcium supplement moves rapidly down the conveyor, a testament to the successful transformation.
And that secures batch 47, ready for distribution.
Here in the secondary product zone, the powder is compressed into uniform chewable tablets. A worker ensures their structural integrity.
The finished ancient calcium is meticulously loaded into these luxury velvet-lined boxes, derived from
The automated system performs critical shelf life analysis, meticulously testing dissolution rates and vitamin stability.
Advanced robotic systems meticulously inspect each capsule, verifying the enteric coating and the non-degradation of the Yurlunggur nano-calcium.
Solubility is excellent. This confirms the potential for a stable liquid dosage form.
The dissolution rates are holding steady across the board.
Confirmed on the chewables, Doctor. Bioavailability looks optimal.
Excellent. The nano-encapsulation is a success.
Here are your ancient calcium supplements, right on time.
Thank you, dear. I appreciate it.
The focus is on the highly absorbable nano-calcium, derived from the ancient Yurlunggur bone source.
This diagram illustrates exactly how the calcium is absorbed to maintain bone density. Based on this, I highly recommend ancient calcium.
The structural integrity of the Yurlunggur gelatin is remarkable at this concentration.
It's exactly what the tissue scaffolds need for vascularization.
This high-purity Yurlunggur gelatin provides the ideal cellular scaffolding.
Sourced from the ancient Yurlunggur bone material, ancient calcium helps you achieve peak physical condition and long-term mobility.